What you're looking at is a Carrier steam boiler, P60 series. What we have is another cracked boiler. This boiler has upper cracks in the upper sections. Steam coming out the top of the boiler at a rapid pace. Boiler was condemned. Unfortunately, this customer had a handyman try to seal the boiler. Stop wasting your money with people that don't know. Call Chatham Comfort Controls Heating and Air Conditioning, 773-842-4299. Your Chicagoland authorized American Standard dealer. Also your Chicagoland authorized Dunkirk boiler dealer. If we move to the right here, what you're gonna see is an improper piping of the Hartford loop. This customer had mid knocking in the boiler firing. When the loop is not piped right, the boiler will make strange sounds. Also, not piped right for an equalizer or anything else. We're gonna tear it all out. We're gonna get them up to speed to meet federal, state, and city code and get them on and going in one day. 773-842-4299, Chatham Comfort Controls, or visit us online, www.ccc-hvac.com or chathamcomfortcontrols.com. Chatham Comfort Controls Heating and Air Conditioning, 773-842-4299, South Suburbs, 708-674-6313. What you're looking at today is a Dunkirk PSB 6D 187,500 BTU steam boiler. Completely removed the old one. What we did today is completely pipe in the federal Hartford loop, a wet return, and a nice supply going up into the existing header. Okay, as the cameraman swings around, you get a look at the federal loop piping, our 24-volt low water cutoff, and our 24-volt water feeder. Okay, for all your boiler needs, Chatham Comfort Controls Heating and Cooling, 773-842-4299. Don't waste your money on such a large investment, taking a chance on somebody who doesn't know what they're doing. Your boiler experts, 773-842-4299. You can find us online at www.ccc-hvac.com. Look for us in that ComEd building, your American Standard flyer, or on www.dunkirk.com. Find dealer, your Chicagoland authorized Dunkirk dealer.